In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the whiteboard in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking for a way to collaborate more effectively during your meetings, the whiteboard tool in Teams is an excellent feature to explore. Let's dive in and make sure that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be comfortable getting started with whiteboard in your meetings. To begin with, let's open your preferred web browser and head over to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by simply searching for Microsoft Teams in your browser's search engine and clicking on the appropriate link to access the platform. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to streamline this process. Once you're in Microsoft Teams, the next step involves navigating the platform while you're in the middle of a meeting. In the top right corner of the meeting window, you'll see an icon labeled Share. This is your gateway to a collaborative space. Clicking on this icon will present you with several options, one of which is the Microsoft Whiteboard. Go ahead and select it. Upon selecting Microsoft Whiteboard, a new collaborative whiteboard opens up right within your meeting. This whiteboard is accessible to everyone in attendance, allowing for real-time collaboration. It's a fantastic way for your team members to brainstorm together, jot down ideas, or engage in visual planning. The best part is, as a dynamic tool, everyone can contribute simultaneously, making written or drawn contributions directly onto the whiteboard. In addition to opening a new whiteboard during the meeting, you have the flexibility to share an existing one. This is particularly handy if you've prepared content ahead of time or need to reference information from a previous session. Alternatively, you could create a new whiteboard prior to the meeting. This pre-planning step is useful if you want to save time and ensure you're all set up for a productive discussion. Microsoft Whiteboard within Teams is designed to bring your ideas together seamlessly. You can draw, add text, and even import images and documents to make your collaborative sessions as comprehensive as needed. As everyone participates, the whiteboard evolves, becoming a living document that all can see and interact with. Don't hesitate to experiment with its tools to see what works best for your team's needs. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to utilizing Microsoft Whiteboard in your team's meetings. I hope this helps make your collaborative sessions more effective and engaging. Don't forget to explore each feature at your own pace and encourage your team to join in on the creativity. Thanks for watching, and have fun collaborating.